Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to create an Instagram account. First, you're going to want to go to the Apple Store or the Android Store and download the Instagram app. Once you've done that, we're going to click to open the Instagram app. From here, we want to create a new account. We will be asked to enter our email address or phone number we wish to use for the account. For this case, I'm going to use an email address. We will then be sent a confirmation code to our email address that we will have to go and enter here. Next, we enter our name. And then we create a password for the account. After this, we will be asked for our birthday, so we go ahead and enter it here. Then we're asked to create a username, and this is what we'll go by on the platform. Then we press sign up, and that's it. Your Instagram account has been created.